I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to send money using Affirm, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to send money. Once you're in the app, look for the Send Money option in the main menu. This will take you to the money transfer section. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's information, including their email or phone number. Double-check the details to ensure the money goes to the right person. Step 4. Specify the amount. Decide how much money you want to send. Enter the amount in the designated field. Be aware of any minimum or maximum limits that may apply. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you accidentally enter the wrong amount, you may have to cancel the transaction and start over. Happy sending!